Ashley, thank you. Only on CBS 42, rules for dumping sludge on Alabama farmland could soon change. That's after a group of concerned citizens who don't like this practice traveled to Montgomery asking for tougher restrictions. CBS 42's Michael Clark has the story.
Despite high gas prices and an early start, some people drove a couple of hours to share fears with ADEM leaders about potentially dangerous chemicals and sludge that's being spread on land across the state. Trucks spraying a dark sludge.
And they spread sludge to the north and south of our home.
It's a more common sight in rural Alabama these days.
The odor was bad, but what about our drinking water?
Today, Julie Lay joined other neighbors who live near spread sites. Some described health issues they fear are related to impacts on the soil or water. Jack West with Alabama Rivers Alliance says other states ban or restrict some sludge over what could be in it.
Chicken sludge, sewage sludge, other waste products that are being applied under these regulations to our farmland that contain a cocktail of chemicals that we believe and science shows are harmful to human health and the environment.
Biosolids were under the EPA, but rules were adopted by the Alabama Department of Environmental Management in 2020. Waste often comes from treatment plants and is usually offered to farmers.
It does seem that we may have more farmers that are looking to take advantage of it, probably due to rising fertilizer prices.
Stephen Cobb is chief of ADEM's land division and says the agency continues to learn more about the types of material coming in, where it's being applied, and what gets the most complaints.
We will continue to evaluate things that were raised today and things that we discover as we move forward with the rules. But certainly we are looking at a stepped increase in the stringency and the coverage of these rules.
And while most believe ADEM's proposed changes like new procedures for food processors are helpful, many want to see sludge tested and tougher enforcement for companies in violation.
We need real administrative penalties so that industry understands that you can't just ship it to Alabama, maybe get a notice of violation, maybe get one cease and desist, but keep doing it and just pay the penalty. It's cheaper to do business that way than to dispose of it properly.
Now, it could take between 1 to 3 months for ADEM to consider all of the feedback before making any rule changes. We'll let you know what happens. In Montgomery, Michael Clark, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.